Morning everyone. My name is Neha AS from second year BCA B section. I have created a project using linear regression algorithm. So we have used a code in this program. It predicts future weather temperature using the linear regression algorithm. First, required libraries such as NumPy, Matplotlib, sklearn, DataTime, and etc. And also, linear regression are imported for numerical operations, visualizations, and machine learning. As starting dates, here we have created a date, year 2025, month 1, and a day 1 is defined and a fully year of dates is generated. Next, we have inputted realistic year temperature pattern India like climate. So, realistic temperature values are created using a seasonal pattern with some small random variation to represent natural weather changes. Since machine learning models cannot process data directly, all dates are converted into numerical day values. Here, the day numbers is equals to MP array. All dates are converted into numerical day values. Here we have converted all dates into numerical day values. The linear regression. Linear regression model. Linear regression model is then created and trained using day numbers as input and temperature values as output. The user enter a future date which is convertible into a day number, and then trained model predicts the temperature for that date. For example, any date if we enter any date in output, it predicts. Finally, the program displays a graph showing actual temperature data, the linear regression trend line, and the predicted future temperature point. The motto of this project is this code uses linear regression to predict future temperature by learning the overall trend from historical data based weather data. And when we run this program, it shows enter a future date, year, month, and date. So we have to enter a random example numbers. So we have entered 2025, 12, and 27 as the output, and when we give enter, it represents a graph. This graph shows the result of weather temperature prediction using linear regression. The blue dots overall represent the actual temperature values collected for each day of the year. These points from a wave-like pattern which shows seasonal variation, summer and winter changes. The straight blue line displaying on the screen represent the linear regression trend line. Since linear regression assumes a linear relationship, it captures only the overall trend of temperature changes and not the seasonal fluctuations. And also here we can see a orange X marker shows the future predicted temperature for the entire date. For example, we have entered 2025 January 1, 2025 12th, and 2025 12 27 date. So it predicts the temperature. Here we have given temperature degree Celsius. Here is the title bar. Here we have given actual temperature, linear regression trend, and future prediction, and the output has been like this. So when we cancel it, it shows predicted temperature on 2025 12 27 15.72 degrees Celsius. So our motto of this project is to predict the future weather by using a linear regression algorithm and AML. Here we have used machine learning, we have used linear regression algorithms to create a future predicted weathers. Thank you.